All right, here we go. -4 times the quantity. Oops, -4x. Maybe let me make that look a little better. Negative. That's really bad. -4x times the quantity, 6x minus 7. We're just gonna distribute through the parentheses. So -4 times 6 is -24, and then x times x is just x squared. We're gonna do that again. -4 times -7 is a positive 28, and then you just tack on the x. And that was it, believe it or not. Any questions from anybody?